Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write a combination formula in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to write the combination formula. Now I am select this cell. Now I am combine the two cell. Now I am select the cell and write a formula. Write is equal to, then select the first value, then write and on our keyboard and write the inverted comma. You can combine this dash, otherwise dot, hyphen, etc. Now I am select the hyphen, then again click the inverted comma and write and, then select the second value, then press enter. Now we can see we write a combination formula and combine multiple cell column easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.